Hi all. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a Google document that you have written or typed up in your Chandler Gilbert Gmail account, or what we would call your Maricopa email account. And I showed you how to do that in a previous video. So in this video you're going to see how to go about doing that and uploading that into your Canvas course. So in our course I'm going to go to modules for the example that I'm going to give, and under week 1 you have a reading effectively assignment that you are going to need to type up the assignment for and then submit it through Canvas. And you're going to submit that Gmail document that you created, or not the Gmail, but the Google document that you created. So once you read the directions, you know what you need to do, you've created the document in your Drive in Google Docs under your Gmail Maricopa account. Now you're going to hit Submit Assignment. And when you hit Assignment, it's going to ask you to do a couple of things. There's a file upload that it's going to ask you to do, but also you can see here where it's asking you to upload a Google document. So if you click on that, it's going to give you something right here that's going to ask you to authorize your access. And this is where it's important to be able to use your Gmail account through Maricopa CGCC. So I'm going to leave this site for a minute, and I'm going to choose my Chandler Gilbert email, and I'm going to allow that. And now, if you notice here, I've got my folder, and in that folder I can collect my reading assignment. And once I've highlighted that, I can go ahead and click on Submit, and it's retrieving my document in Google Docs, and it may take a few minutes to do it, but now it is successfully submitted. You can go in and look at your submission details. I can see that it's now been uploaded as a document for the instructor to go in and write comments on, or anything else. You can also, if you make a mistake, resubmit an assignment. And sometimes we'll ask you to do that. But I hope this has given you some good directions on how to submit using your Gmail account through Maricopa Chandler Gilbert. Take care.